Namaste, Jayama. In the book Living with the Himalayan Masters of Swami Rama, it said there that Swami Rama, while teaching his disciples, when he was in a very mature state at that time, and in every class, he used to repeat to his disciples that you have to sit straight during meditation. You have to sit straight during meditation. And he wouldn't proceed after that into more advanced stages of meditation or the obstacles or anything else. He will just continue repeating that same thing. And once one of his closest disciples, he asked Swami Rama, why are you repeating the same thing in every class? Then people are getting bored, they are losing interest. Why aren't you elaborating on the subject more? Why aren't you going deeper and further into the subject? And he said that I see that they are not serious and they aren't doing what I'm saying. And if they aren't already an expert in already what I have said, already what I have taught them, then how will I move on to the next step? So, and I think that for every guru, every sincere guru, this is a very important thing, that even for universe and for God, if you haven't learned a lesson, the universe or God, whatever way you see it, will keep on arranging the circumstances in such a way so that you understand and you learn. If you haven't gone through the first step, how can you expect to be in the second step? So whatever you have been given, whatever have been you think you have received from the universe or from God, whatever guidance, you have to practice that year after year very well, so as to open up the opportunity to proceed to the next step. Otherwise, if you haven't completed the syllabus of class 1, you can't expect to be in class 2. You have to complete the syllabus of class 2 in order to proceed on to class 3, right? There's no shortcut method in that. In the spiritual path, there's no shortcut path. You have to proceed it step by step. This is for all sadhakas. Whatever has been given to you, practice it very deeply. Unless you practice it and imbibe it inside you, you can't expect the universe to lead you on to the next step, right? And this is a very important thing. Hari Om, Jai Ma.